Hey guys, it's like 5 o'clock in the morning and I've got to keep it down because mum's asleep, but it's like 5 o'clock in the morning and there's a thunderstorm outside, so I'm really excited and I can't sleep because the thunderstorm, it woke me up, and yeah, I'm kind of dying, but yeah, I'm so tired, but yeah, I'll see if I can catch some thunder for you. Alright. So yeah, this is like my garden, and yeah, I'm so tired. But it's fun just sitting up watching a thunderstorm. Let's see if we can catch any lightning. I think it's gone. There hasn't been one for about an hour now, so I think it's starting to clear up. Look at those thunder clouds though. Ew. They're dark and grey. But yeah, you probably can't see that, but yeah, they're actually really dark and really grey. So yeah, this is my garden. See, it's beautiful. Thunder, that was lightning. Right, there we go. Got a bit of lightning. I think the thunder, I haven't had thunder in a while. Lightning crashes are still going on, but yeah, I haven't seen thunder for a while. I'm actually dying. This is, it's my life about 5 o'clock in the morning. So, yeah. So, yeah. That's my life, just casually. So, yeah. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment, like this and share with your friends. Thanks. Bye.